In today's segment, I want to show you a fairly inexpensive kit that you can do to your Tesla to improve the interior lighting of the car. It doesn't matter which one you have, it's a Model 3, an S, or an X. So the kit is sold by a company called Abstract Ocean, and you can buy the lighting kits, which are direct replacements for the OEM lights that Tesla uses in all their cars, and you can buy them in kits of say 4 or 8, or you can buy a full replacement kit. So in my case, I bought a full replacement kit for a Model X, and that includes, I think it's 11 of these white lights, and that goes in the doors and underneath and under the seats, and then 2 of the red LEDs, and those go in the doors. And apparently this makes a huge improvement on the lighting interior of the car, because if I have any kind of complaints, I find that the interior lighting on the car, while adequate, is a little bit on the dim side. So it's supposedly that these are a huge improvements, and like I said, they're a direct replacement for the OEM lights that are in the Tesla. So let's go and install them and see what kind of improvement we get out of the deal. Alright, so the first 2 lights we're going to replace are 2 here in the front. Right, so let's pull these out. You just need a basic screwdriver. Actually no, with these in the fabric, you just need to pull them out. Kind of looks like that. And there's a little clip here, and it should just pull right out. Oh yeah, look at that. Super simple. Let's take one of the first ones and we'll install it. So here's the replacement from Abstract Ocean. Oh, huge difference. Look at that. Huge difference. All right, let's tuck that back into the liner. And it just clicks right in. You can see the difference. All right, so let's do the other one. All right, so that takes care of the front. That's by far the easiest. We'll go to the back and do those first, and then work our way towards the more complicated ones to do in the car. This one's turning out to be a little bit more difficult. You gotta be very gentle. Pry it out. There we go. Same deal as usual. Oh yeah, big difference. All right, same idea. Click it in, and it's done. Well, as you can see here, this is the standard side marker, and this is the Abstract Ocean replacement, and we're going to take this one out and replace it with a brighter red one. Huge difference. Now, underneath the doors, there are puddle lights under here too. You got to pop those out and replace those. It's a good idea to hold on to these wires. Some of them are pretty short. If you let them go, they might disappear up inside the car, and then you'll be a real pickle to pull them out. That takes care of that side. Let's go to the other side now. There's 13 lights in my kit, and I have 1 left over, and I couldn't, for the life of me, figure out where the last one goes. Then it dawned on me. The glove compartment. Sure enough, there's one in the glove compartment. Let's pull it up. This section's a little tough to do, but not as bad as underneath the driver and passenger seat. Man, I felt like a contortionist working around in there. This would be the second hardest to do, mainly because the glove compartment is not very big, but probably takes about 15 minutes to change all these lights around. So it's not a big, not a hard thing to do. It just takes a little bit of time. Well, there you go. That takes care of the installation. Took maybe about 15 minutes. One of the simplest upgrades you can do to the interior lighting on your car. And hey, I got a bag of spares just in case something burns out. Anyhow, we'll come back a little bit later tonight and we'll have a look at the car in the dark and see how much improved it is. Well, I have to say, what a huge difference in the lighting in the interior of the car with these new brighter lights. Wow, I'm very impressed. Let's take a look at the glove compartment. Yeah, we don't go in there very often, but it's certainly brighter. But yeah, certainly in the footwells, it's very nice. Very happy with this upgrade. This looks really good. So yeah, thumbs up on this one.